two of them at once, what they probably do is fight each other for the prey, and the prey wouldn't get it. These birds are really great. We find that really great.
Yeah.
Used in the UK, because the environment we have here is perfect for them.
Yeah.
They're great in an
He's a birdie.
environment full of trees.
Hi.
Hello.
Desert birds is also designed to avoid. So used to getting
Well, where is he going to see it?
environment. Between objects, like your heads, for example, make sure you get really ready. And the reason he's so good at this is just down to how he's made. You look at his body shape, so could have his long wingspan there. Not as long as something like falcon. Falcons have incredibly long wings. Birds are a bit shorter than that.
He's very well trained, isn't he?
That bird's busy. Very busy. Fly to everyone. Wait, what if it flies all the way over to me?
The sort of prey to be catching,
Wait,
lots of desert rodents, anything from a small mouse up to a rabbit or a hare.
why does it keep on flying and flying and flying?
Females, females once again being bigger than males, you can and also catch birds as well. Songbird to the side.
Why won't you just see it?
Very big
Yeah,
prey.
I'm gonna get close to it.
No, just stay still.
Underneath rock piles for these things. They even take insects if there's nothing else available. I've seen them take a worm out of the ground before. They're not picky. I'm going to try and show off this one I have with the by talking to the
Yeah, definitely not English or American.
He wants to rear up his rabbit with his feet. So there you go, he grabs it again with his feet, takes it to the ground. And ideally what he should do, he's already ready for the next bit, but what he should be doing is holding it down with his feet while his beak breaks it apart into small enough bits to swallow. But this bird likes to swallow anything whole that he can. Doesn't have much patience for taking into smaller pieces. Alright, so again we do another one of these. Then you move up to a perch again. There we go. It's a bit harder for this one. They'll know that it's going to be coming down. One can go underneath it, and that way they can catch it. I'm going to get a hold of him and bring him around. Let you have a look at him. Definitely knows what I'm up to. This one has no patience to speak of. Wait until he moves up. Find somewhere to sit. Try and teach him the has to wait for his meal. Reluctant to learn this lesson, obviously. There he goes, trying to turn around again. He's getting very picky about it. I'm going to bring him around, let you get a closer look. I'll start with you and work my way around. Have a good look at him as he's there. You can see he's covering this food up from you. Called mantling when he does this. Thinks you look a bit suspicious, like you might try and steal his chicken. Not so pleased about that. Now, since he is eating, I will warn you, it's not the nicest thing to see just after lunch. He sure enjoys it though. Once again, you'll see him trying to stuff whole bits of food down his beak. Obviously, because he doesn't have any teeth, he doesn't chew his food, he just swallows as many pieces as he can. And he's got something called a crop, which is basically just a pouch underneath his neck where all his food gets stored. And that's where he starts to digest things. Now because this bird eats pretty much, you see there's not avoiding bones, he's not avoiding even the feet or beak of what he's eating. So what that means is he's got to have very, very good digestion. So he starts at the neck, starts to break down the bones. The only thing that he can't digest are either the feathers or the fur of his food.
You just fall over like.
How do you get the front desk?
No, just put it down on the ground.